Are you going to pay my bill or not?
On November 10th, 2025, officers were dispatched to the bar at the Hilton Hotel in response to a report of a woman refusing to pay her bill.
All right, Simona.
I'm sitting. I'm just enjoying myself. I don't want to go. I'm okay. I have a little bit of. What if I was trying to get this gentleman to go home and sleep with me? Would that be okay?
Well, we need you to pay the bill right now.
Okay, I'll pay the bill when I'm ready.
Well, you're not eating. Like they said, they're closing up.
What is the plan for tonight? You'd like it to take me to jail, prison, or to
I
have me sleep with
I
the
don't
police
want to.
department
I want you to pay for your bill
It's
so we can
not
go about
for
our
me.
day.
You're not going to get me used to that life. I've suffered enough.
Ma'am, we're trying to turn a civil matter into not being a criminal matter. So I'll just ask you, do you have means of payment? Because as of this point, it looks
That's
like...
none of your business.
No, it kind of is our
No,
business
until
at
they
this
close.
point.
No, it's not. It's not. And I'm not interested.
Can we call somebody who can pay for your bill, ma'am?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Give him a call.
Okay.
Call if you
No,
ask me
you-
to call. Pay my bill.
Somebody I can call?
So I have a question. What would you do if you were me in a situation where you went to dinner, your friend said she would provide her credit card over the phone, and they're not doing so? Wouldn't you then take down the friend's information?
The friend never showed up. You're the one
Okay,
that
she
sat
never
and
showed
dined
up.
here.
I came to dinner. I had dinner. She said she was going to pay for my dinner.
It just sounds like a really bad friend. But
Right, okay,
for
so
our...
it's a really bad friend. So if I give you her address and phone number, can you go talk to her?
No, ma'am. That's not the way it works. For right now, you can figure your friend's situation
It's
out
not fun.
afterwards. Right now, I need you to pay for your bill so we can move along. We have a busy night tonight. I just want to get this over with.
Do you need my Louis Vuitton or do you need my Versace? Take the Versace.
No, I just need a form of payment so we can get this bill
It's
taken care
closed.
of.
I need a form of payment. You want a gift certificate? You want a coin? A couple of coins? I don't mind.
You have a credit card or a debit card?
I actually don't because it was stolen.
Okay, do you have cash?
I have $10.
Okay.
And then I can give you a Mexican coin and two others.
How about you call somebody who can pay for your bill?
I did, and they're not answering. So can I provide you with that person's information? Then you can go to their home
No,
and ask
ma'am.
them to pay it.
No, ma'am. We gotta figure
You need
something
the
out.
jacket?
We gotta figure something out.
Okay, so what do you want?
Do you have some kind of electronic payment you could give them?
You have Apple
Like a
Pay?
Zelle, Apple Pay, Cash App?
I should, right?
I don't know. Do you?
Jenny, can you do me a favor and give me your credit card number and pay my bill, please? So I can sleep, not at jail. Tonight I'm not in the mood. At the Hilton. Sure. I don't care about the hotel. It's the one in Milwaukee. It's not fun. It's not fun at all. Can you please pay my bill? Okay, I am not spending the night in jail again. If you want to send one of your friends to spend the night in the car with me, they can do that. I'm not spending the night in jail again. It's enough. We're not doing one day on, one day off. It's none of your Danny, pay my bill. Pay my bill. Are you going to pay my bill, sir? Sir.
Ma'am, he doesn't want to. Let him enjoy his food.
I'm not talking to you.
Okay, well, he doesn't want to talk to you either.
Okay.
Let him enjoy his food.
He certainly did when he walked over to my
Okay,
table.
well, not anymore.
Okay, so can you pay my bill and I'll pay you back?
No, ma'am. That's not the way it
Why?
works. You need to figure the
How does it work
situation
when you're a
out.
police officer?
Ma'am,
And
do you have a way to pay
Dates.
for it?
what would you like? Do you want my wallet? Take the wallet.
No, they want a form of payment. Do you
Okay,
have?
I
Do you
don't
have
have a form of payment. You want my coin?
You don't have a form of payment? Is that what it's gonna be?
No, but so I have a question. By law, what would you do right now if your friend promised to pay your bill and take you out for your birthday over the phone, and they were not able to do so?
We're talking about right now, okay?
Okay,
You dined somewhere. You need to pay a bill. If you can't pay the bill, then you will be arrested, okay? And
Okay,
I don't
why
want that
would
to
I be arrested?
After being 5 hours late.
Man, this is theft.
It's not theft. Because here.
Huh?
Call. I can give you a number of my father. Call him, and he will provide credit card information.
Just because your friend invited you here for dinner,
Right.
but she didn't show up,
Right.
yet you still ordered food and drink.
Right. And she said she would cover it over the phone as a gift to me.
No, because that would be your personal responsibility at that point.
Right.
You can't
Right.
just
What am
trust
I
somebody else.
supposed to do in that situation by law? So
Well,
I came to
it's
dinner.
not a law thing. It's a personal responsibility
Right,
thing.
so I
However,
went
at
to
this
dinner.
point, it would be
Simple
theft of
personal
services
words.
because you
Don't
have
you want to
already
speak to
consumed
each
food.
other?
Okay, well, what if I give you and provide you with an address and credit card information
No.
to where my father lives and my mailing address, and there you can get all of my information.
That's
We are
affirmative.
not a courier
I am
service.
not, right, but I am also not a thief. So what does one do in this situation? So I can give you a number to where my family lives, my billing address, my mailing address,
Well,
and where you can
We
go.
will give you every opportunity to try to contact
I
somebody.
am not going to sit in jail tonight. It's not healthy for me.
Well, that's why we're giving you opportunities to call people right
Okay,
now.
right. So nobody's answering because it's late. But I can provide you with mailing addresses, billing addresses, and family information.
Again,
where
we're
you
not
can-
a courier service. We're not going to
Right.
drive behind
So
you.
what are you, my
This is
guardian?
my personal. If you could
No, because
On
right
the
now we're here to
RAHO.
investigate a crime.
It's not a
That would
crime.
be better for me.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not, because I'm not saying I don't want to pay the bill. I am providing you, I'm explaining the situation to you and telling you. So, for example, there's people that don't pay their credit cards. There's people that don't pay their medical bills. Do you go to their house every single time that somebody misses a payment for a credit card or a medical bill?
I know you will.
No, right. So
Simona?
why is it specifically to me?
Can I,
No,
do
not
you want me to
anymore.
talk
Not
to someone?
anymore, no. So somebody doesn't pay their taxes on time. Somebody doesn't pay their credit card bill on time. Somebody is late on their mortgage payment.
2,000.
Somebody is late in paying their car payment. You go to their house and arrest them immediately?
We're giving you the opportunity for an out. I want you to keep trying calling people. Stop talking to us. Try to find a solution.
Well, no, because I don't know
Ma'am.
the law, but there has
Ma'am.
to be an
Ma'am,
explanation.
you have two options. You pay the bill, you go to jail. These are your options. Try to figure it out. We're giving you
So
options.
when somebody doesn't make their credit card payment on time, you go to their house?
I don't want to talk to you any further about credit card bills. You have two options. You pay your bill or you go to jail. So
You
make
want
some
me to call
phone calls.
Jeff?
I don't care who you call. I want you to call someone who can pay the bill.
You're a good man. Great.
And you know,
I've
that's
been
something I'm
listen,
very upset
Simona.
about.
I've been patient with you this whole time. We need to figure out a solution to this. I'm not going to stand here all night.
Could you please pay my bill tonight?
Do you want me to talk to him?
Yeah.
Sir Mario, Prospect Heights Police Department. I'm with Simona here. She needs to pay a bill, and she stated that you're able to provide means to pay for her $66 bill. We're dealing with a criminal matter. All right? He's not paying for your bill. You want to call someone else?
Would you like to pay it?
No, I would not like to pay your bill.
Why?
Ma'am, keep calling. Stop talking to me and keep calling. I've been patient with you for way too long. Let's figure out a situation. You want to call mom or dad?
Are you going to pay my bill or not? You want to look up the law with me?
No, I don't. I want
I'm not in law school.
Okay, I want to figure out a way for you to pay for your bill. That's what I want to do.
I have to use the bathroom.
We're not doing that anymore.
No, I have to pee.
We're not doing that. You can pee at the jail if you can't pay right
I'm
now.
not going to jail again. It's
Okay,
enough.
so let's
It's
figure it
enough.
out.
You're not going to get me used to that. You're not. I cannot.
I've never met you before.
Okay,
I
tell
need
me
you to pay a bill.
I asked, you're in law enforcement, right? So what is the law when somebody is promised to be taken out to dinner
Yeah, one last chance.
and have that paid? I don't have a jail.
Okay, yeah,
And
one
have
last
that
chance.
paid for. One
Okay,
last
so
chance for
take-
what? I don't know
Alright.
who I'm going to call. Don't do
Get
that.
up. Hands on your back. Get up. Let's go.
Okay, hang on. Wait,
Uh-uh.
don't take my name off.
We're not gonna resist. We're not gonna add more charges, okay?
No, that's fine.
I'm gonna lock them so they don't tighten up on you, okay? This is all your stuff, ma'am. I'm gonna put it in your purse. Alright.
Do you have anything on you that we should know about right now?
No.
Okay.
Okay. Have a seat. Come on, have a seat. I'm gonna reach over just to get the seatbelt. You wanna lean back for me? Just lean back for me. I'm gonna reach over to get a seatbelt. Oh, I have one female in custody from my location to the station. Starting mileage is 111433.
The officers find Simona seated at the bar. She claims a friend promised to pay but isn't answering calls. The key legal question? Is this civil debt or criminal theft of services? The distinction hinges on intent. A person who dines intending to pay but cannot is a debtor. A person who dines intending never to pay is a thief. When you order food and consume it, you create a contract with the establishment, regardless of what third parties promised. The officers explore multiple payment options with considerable patience: credit cards, debit cards, cash, electronic apps. Simona reports her card was stolen and she has only $10. This methodical approach documents that she has no means or intent to pay while offering opportunities for resolution. Simona references not wanting to spend the night in jail again, suggesting prior arrests. She compares her situation to unpaid credit cards and mortgages. This demonstrates fundamental misunderstanding. Failing to pay existing debt is civil. Obtaining services with intent to defraud is criminal. The officer gives a clear ultimatum: pay the bill or go to jail. This is the moment where civil matter transforms into criminal. Based on her statements and behavior, the officer has probable cause that she obtained services without intent or ability to pay. Additional phone calls are permitted. One person answers but declines to pay the bill. This demonstrates officers provided every reasonable opportunity for resolution. When Simona requests a bathroom break, it's denied for officer safety reasons. After one final warning, the arrest is initiated. Notice the controlled, professional manner. Clear verbal commands, appropriate control techniques, and explanation of handcuff procedures demonstrate adherence to proper protocols. At the station, when Simona asks what she's charged with, the officer states theft. She protests she didn't steal anything. This highlights the subjective nature of theft of services. From her perspective, she intended someone else to pay. From the officer's perspective, she obtained services knowing she personally could not pay. The legal question is whether her conduct constituted theft of services or unpaid civil debt. She consumed food and beverages knowing she had no means of payment beyond $10, relying on an unconfirmed promise from an absent third party. The officers demonstrated considerable patience and professionalism, providing multiple opportunities for resolution before proceeding to arrest. The encounter lasted approximately 15 minutes, with numerous payment options explored. The officers receive a grade of B. They managed a difficult situation with professionalism and patience. Their extensive efforts to find civil resolution before arrest showed good judgment. However, they might have explained the legal elements of theft of services more clearly earlier in the encounter.
All right, Simona.
Exactly.
How's that?
Oh, shit.
Have a seat for me right here, Simona.
Hey,
All right. Don't have a seat for me right here.
Oh, no, I mean.
Oh, okay. All right. One layer of clothing, no earrings, no necklaces. Shoes. If you want to keep your shoes on, take the shoelaces off. And we'll go from there. Okay.
Okay, what am I here for?
For theft, ma'am.
I didn't steal anything.
Uh,
I provided
you'll-
you with an address and a place to
You-
pay
you'll have
back
your-
the
you'll have
bill
your
in that
chance.
type of
You'll have your
situation.
chance to speak
Yeah,
your
but
side in court.
I don't want to sit
okay?
in jail. This is not for me.
We'll try to get you out of here as soon as we can. Okay.
Why is that?
As soon as we get our paperwork done.
Okay, so is that tomorrow morning, tonight? I don't want to sleep here.
No, it'll be a couple hours, depending on how busy we are.
Okay, but I haven't done anything wrong.
Well, like I said, you can
I
say your side
provided
of the
you with
story.
a situation that is
Right.
very explanatory.
Seems like you just need to make better relationships with different people.
No,
Okay?
it seems like I'm in a very tough situation.
Key lessons from this case. First, if you order food or services, you are personally responsible for payment regardless of third-party promises. Verbal promises from absent friends are not confirmed payment arrangements. Second, understand the difference between civil debt and criminal theft. The critical factor is your intent when obtaining the service. Third, if you find yourself unable to pay, remain calm, provide identification and contact information, and voluntarily leave with an agreement to resolve the matter later. Cooperation keeps situations civil. Fourth, refusing to leave premises when unable to pay transforms civil matters into criminal ones. Fifth, arguing with police about unrelated debts demonstrates legal misunderstanding and wastes opportunities to resolve the situation. Simona receives a grade of D+. While her frustration is understandable, She obtained services knowing she lacked personal means of payment. Her refusal to leave when unable to pay forced police intervention. She demonstrated fundamental misunderstanding of civil versus criminal law and took a confrontational approach that escalated rather than de-escalated. However, she received some credit for not physically resisting arrest once initiated, preventing additional charges. Additional lessons. Always verify payment arrangements before ordering, especially when relying on others. Have a backup payment method. If promised payment fails, take responsibility immediately rather than arguing. Officers have discretion in borderline cases, and your cooperation heavily influences their decision. A calm explanation, offer of identification, and voluntary departure can keep matters civil. Finally, prior jail stays suggest patterns officers recognize. Breaking cycles requires taking personal responsibility and making better choices when situations go wrong. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic that you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our second channel, Audit the Court, for even more police interaction and courtroom content.